Hey guys, it's Sid with SVTPerformance.com, and I'm in hot New Bern, North Carolina at the Mountains to Myrtle Broncos and Brews show here at Freshwater Brewery, and it's a good time, but it is toasty. Good thing I've got my frosty beverage so I can stay hydrated. But I wanted to show you something new from BronCover. This is a prototype, and yes, it is on my Bronco Raptor. This is what they prototyped it on, was my truck. But it's just a new part for them and something that some of you Bronco guys might be interested in. So they had a lot of requests for a cover that works when you have your front 3 sections of roof out. So what this basically does, got the motorcycle guys going, beautiful day for a ride. When you have your front 2 sections and that 3rd section or any combination thereof out, but you have your rear section on, because that thing's heavy and it's kind of a pain to take off, and you have your doors on, you can just throw this little cap on. No more rain anxiety. You can go run around with the tops out, throw this thing in the back under the back seat, whatever you want to do. Looks like it's going to rain, you know, well, it doesn't here, but if it does, throw this thing on, put the tent pole up so the water sheds off the top. Perfect solution. So that's one of the great things about BronCover. They're always looking for solutions to fit whatever the Bronco community likes. So say you want to take your top completely off and you want to take your doors off. They've got one that fits with that. So you've got a soft top. They've got one that fits with that. A hard top that is not a Raptor. They've got one. What if you have a soft top? What if you just have your doors off and you have your top on? They have these door shields. A little bit of everything. If you have a soft top and you know that these windows are a pain in the ass and you don't want to have to take those on and off, right here they've got the Safari shields. So if you are interested in Bronco products like that, definitely check out BronCover.com. We work with them quite a bit on prototyping parts with all the various Broncos that we have in the fleet, and they make really good stuff. It is made in South Carolina. You are buying a US made product. I can't emphasize that enough. It's not some Chinese tarp like you can get some other places. This is a made in South Carolina, made in America, proud company. It's a tier 1 supplier for manufacturers like Scout fishing boats or Bentley Pontoons, the marine canvas manufacturer that actually makes this stuff out of super high quality products and parts and construction methods. So you're not getting just some cheap piece of junk that'll fall apart. It's really good stuff. These will be available for sale very shortly, probably about the time I actually get this video out. So if you're interested in a product like this, or maybe you use your Bronco in a different way, maybe you like your doors off, they've got one for that too. Head over to BronCover.com and check it out. Tell them that Sid from SVT Performance sent you there, and they will probably give you a discount. I think we still have a discount code, and if we do, I'll put it down in the description below. So if you guys are interested in that, check it out. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.